Hi you guys and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade pumpkin puree. It's super easy, it's healthy and you can use it for so many recipes. We will make it from scratch, so no added sugar as the canned one that you can find in the grocery stores. All we're gonna need is just pumpkin. The most important thing to keep in mind is that you want to look for a small pumpkin just like this one because they taste sweeter. So we cut it in the middle and now just grab a spoon and start to scoop those seeds out along with any of this pumpkin membrane that you can see. Be sure you don't throw all those seeds out because you can roast them up and eat them as a yummy little snack or put them on the top of a salad. And actually I already shared with you in the pumpkin soup recipe how to do that, so make sure to check it out. I will link it below. So once you got your pumpkin all cleaned up and ready to go, you're gonna light it skin side up on a baking sheet and roast it in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. My pumpkin is all cooked and it was in the oven for 35 minutes and I knew it was done because when I took a knife and I stuck it in, it went in and out with no resistance. That's how you know your pumpkin is ready to go. Now all you need to do is pull the skin off of the pumpkin flesh and it comes off really easily, so just pull it back and then just slice the pumpkin and put it in the food processor and blend it. And when it's all done, which you're gonna be left with this nice rich creamy pumpkin puree, keep it in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks and you can use it for so many recipes. So you guys, that's it with today's video. The homemade pumpkin puree, it's fresh, easy, healthy and tastes different than the canned one, so it's worth giving it a try. I hope you like it. You can find the recipe in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Ciao!